The more I thank English Fantasy, the less it will be. In almost these 2 months, English Fantasy is become another home for me. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's a great pleasure for me to say something in front of you. Thank you all with grace in my heart and dreams in my eyes. This is me, Sadia Nishat. At present, I am a student of English Fantasy. I recently completed my ACC exam. Truly speaking, from my childhood to my teenage year, I want to be a doctor. And after completing my ACC examination, I took preparation for my medical admission test, and I sit for this exam. But unfortunately, I could not achieve the expected results in medical. And then my parents are decided to that I should go abroad for my bachelor's degree, and after much arguing, I agree with them. And then I thought about IELTS. Much searching IELTS coaching centers, I found English Fantasy as the best platform of basic and English IELTS. And I 25th May maybe I admitted here, and our class started almost maybe 2 May in this year. 5 or 6 days ago, I completed my level 4 of basics, and right now I'm at level 4 student. Almost 2 months ago, I would think that English language is just for speaking, and I would think that English we learn English and then go abroad. But now truly speaking, it was totally wrong. English is not just a language that learn and we go abroad. English is a significant language that makes us confident and helps us become a good speaker, and also enriches our communication skill with others. Truly speaking, before coming here, I could not write or speak one single sentence in English properly. But right now, I can write, I can speak English fluently, not like a pro, but I have improved myself a lot of before. English Fantasy environment is like a boarding school. Sounds funny, but it's true. When we speak any single word of English, or when we speak a single word of Bengali, we should pay fine. Or when we come late in our class, we should pay fine. And that's why right now I'm sitting here. And all these things have been possible for just because of English Fantasy. The teachers of our English Fantasy is a blessing for us. And I have no word to say with them. And among them, Nur sir, who is our main teacher. Truly speaking, he's one of the most best and favorite teacher I have met in my life. His teaching method is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Our Suma ma'am, who is our mentor. He is not only just mentor, he is a motivator for us. He's an inspiration, and also he's a guide for us. Last but not the least, when I complete my course, I will miss my old teachers, all these moments, and also my classmates. And thank you, Rajan sir, for giving me this opportunity, and also thanks a lot to our Nur sir to teaching us like that and made us a pro. And thank you so much everyone. Please pray for me. Assalamu alaikum.